In today's video, I'll teach you how to find agents in realestate.com.au. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in realestate.com.au and press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Realestate. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find these options like buy, rent, sold, new homes, find agents, home loans, etc. So if you want to find the agents for yourself, click on this option, find agents, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to another interface. In this interface, what you have to do is simply search for your suburb or region. Click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search the agents by suburb or region. Enter the suburb or region over here. Once you do that, click on the search option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to see all the agents over here. You can see over here, you can also filter the result if you want. Simply click on this field. Right now the result is being displayed according to the suburb sales and performance. You can simply click on any options of your choice. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to filter the results. Likewise, you'll also be able to apply other filters as well. After you do that, what you have to do is simply scroll down and you'll be able to see number of agents over here. If you like any of these agents, you can also simply click on their name in order to visit their profile. Now over here, you'll be able to see their profile. You'll be able to see the name. You'll also be able to see the number of experience and reviews over here. Right over here, you'll also be able to see the performance snapshot. You'll be able to find the median sold price over here. Also, you can find the informations like median days advertised, properties sold as lead agent, properties sold as secondary agent. You can request a free appraisal if you want. You can also send the inquiry and you'll also be able to call them. So like this, you'll be able to find the agents. So that is how you find agent in realestate.com.au. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.